Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, access Play Store and download voice recorder app. Then open it. Now tap on this red button to start a recording. You can tap on the smaller one to pause it or unpause it. If you wish to end it and save it, tap on the main one and name it however you wish to. After that, click on OK and tap on this headphones icon to access list of all your recordings. Close the nut. And as you can see, my recording is over here. You can always delete it by tapping on those three dots over here, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!